Good morning. Happy day 16. Happy day 16. I can't decide if I want to drink celery juice or take my regular shot. I'll do the celery juice, but I don't think I'm going to drink that whole entire thing because that's a lot. So today and a little bit tomorrow. I can't drink that whole thing today. And then I'll make my shake and just bring it with me. Make my tea when I get home. Not going to the gym because baby AJ cannot go to the gym today. Get all that out and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm gonna start with super green. Let me not start with super greens. My bad. Supposed to do this on an empty stomach. Celery juice. Just switch it around. Going to pour it into a smaller cup. Oof, you can smell this, boy. Oh my gosh. Is that enough? Do you think that's enough? That's enough, right? So I'll do this on an empty stomach. I'd rather juice like green apples, spinach, and kale. That wasn't good. I ain't like that. I don't like it. Greens. They're so good. Now I'm gonna make my shake and fast forward. If you are new to the vlog, go check out vlog day 1 and 2 because I explain my whole shake and tea and everything. We're on day 16, so I don't want to bore people who's watching every day. Go ahead and make it really quick in a time lapse. Alright, I just finished getting the kids ready to go. The teens are almost ready to go. I'm gonna take my MELISA shot real quick. I'm running out of MELISA, guys. I'm gonna start doing one a day for a couple days. Why is your shake so fantastic this morning? I'm gonna go take my teenagers to school, then come home with the babies, make a team, baby AJ, so I feel better. Probably do a lot of cuddling today, and I'll see y'all when it's time to eat again. Bye. Alright guys, so it's my snack time, but I am not hungry, so I am going, if you've never had this, you gotta try it. There is the house blend, which is my favorite. House blend is definitely my favorite. And then there's the mocha, and now we have this new one, which is caramel macchiato. It's high protein iced coffee, and it is 15 grams of protein, 100 calories, 1 gram of sugar. Usually do it in a shaker cup, but I'm going to do it in my aesthetic cup. Oops, 2 scoops. And then I'm going to add some hot water so it dissolves faster. And then I'm just going to add some more water to it. Honestly, I would usually make like a donut shot and add it in here for creamer, but I literally just took my MELISA shot this morning. I'm not going to do that. I'm just seriously just going to add regular coffee creamer to it. I add some ice first. Of my almond creamer. Froth it. And to add it to the top. Protein coffee. Isn't she gorgeous? It's so beautiful, I don't even want to drink it. To add our aesthetic glass straw. Y'all think I'm a nerd, don't you? Considered my first snack. And when it's time to eat lunch. Bye. Alright, you guys. I have to go get the kids soon from school. So I'm going to make like one of those chopped sandwiches that you can see on TikTok. Chopping everything up and then just scooping it and putting it in the sub. I'm gonna do that kind of sort of. Do it with these carb balanced tortillas. So I guess it'll be like a turkey wrap but chopped. Yeah, that's what it is. I have these 70 calorie, high fiber, 4 grams of net carbs, keto friendly, super soft carb balanced tortilla. And I am going to chop everything in fast forward so I don't have you sitting here forever watching me chop stuff. and then I will put it into the wrap, and that's what I'm going to eat before I go get in the car. Like, not going to the gym is like really throwing me off. So I had my breakfast shake, right? And then when I was supposed to have, like, when I would usually have like my post-workout first snack, I drank that protein coffee. Instead of bringing a snack with me in the car, I'm just going to make this wrap as a snack. Yeah, and then when I get home, I'm gonna roast some veggies and stuff, I think, possibly. I think that's what I was gonna do. I honestly don't even know anymore. I don't know, we'll see how the day goes. I'm gonna make this wrap sandwich thing right now, so. All right, you guys, this is my wrap that you saw me just make. It's my chopped wrap. Okay, so my wrap was marvelous. And now I'm gonna take my Goli Bites, Goli Multi, Goli Energy. I love these things. It's almost like a reward. This has more than 10 vitamins and essential nutrients, caffeine, vitamins B6, B9, and B12. Only 25 calories in both of them. These taste like salted caramel. Take one a day. Energy one says you can take up to 5 a day. I literally only take one, and it's always after I eat. The multivitamin one, enjoy one piece is needed. That's all it says. But I just take one of each after I eat something in the middle of the day when I need like a pick-me-up. I'm gonna make the tea real quick. I feel like it's so rude, like where I talk with food in my mouth, but I be trying to hurry up so it's not like a forever vlog. So I just took one of each. I'm gonna make my tea, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen and go pick up my teen from school. In the store, I ran to Target with my girls, and it's going to be the last time I do 2 Prolesa shots in a day because, yeah, I only got a couple days left of Prolesa, and then I'm just gonna have to wait until my next order. I put in big orders of Herbalife the day that Herbalife pays us, so around the 15th. Cheers. Day 16 is done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. Share with everybody you know. Thank you to those leaving comments. Very kind of you. Appreciate it. See you guys on the next video.